In this lesson, we are going to explore how to hide and show components in an assembly, along with how to change the transparency. Let's begin with hiding a component. Let's say, for example, we would like to hide the piston. One method for hiding the piston is to do it in the Feature Manager design tree. Simply select the piston, a pop-up menu appears, and notice we have two icons with glasses. The first one is Hide Components. The second one is Change Transparency. We'll select Hide Components. And now notice on the screen, the piston is hidden. Also notice in the Feature Manager design tree, the change in the part graphic. Notice the part icon graphic as compared to the other parts. If we would like to unhide the piston, you simply click on the piston and select Show Components. Another option for hiding a component is to select a component on the screen. The same pop-up menu appears. Now this time, instead of selecting Hide Components, let's try Change Transparency. And it simply changes the transparency so you can see through the part. Now we have one more option for hiding and showing components along with changing the transparency, and that is through the task pane. If we expand the task pane, notice we have 4 columns. The first one is for Hide Show. The second one is for Display Mode. Third one, Appearances. And the last one, Transparency. So let's talk about the first column, Hide Show. If I would like to hide, for example, the piston, I select Piston in that column, and now the piston is hidden on the screen. Now, if we would like to change the transparency of the articulated rod, and this is the articulated rod, we would simply select over here, and once again, you'll see it changes the transparency. So again, the first column is for Hide Show. The fourth column is for transparency. The second column here is nothing more than display mode. So for example, let me unhide the piston and then change the transparency on the articulated rod. This time, let's go to the piston and change the display mode. Let's change it to a wireframe and notice the update on the screen. The third column is for appearance. This is nothing more than the appearance that was assigned to each part. So having the capability to hide show components and change the transparency allows you to visualize very complex assemblies, making it easier to work with the assemblies.